We will now take a look at some commonly found Oracle Server configuration. On the left part of the slide, you are looking at multiple instance database server configuration. If the server has the Oracle software and more than one database on it, where each database in turn has its own instance in memory, this type of configuration is called multiple instance database server configuration, which is quite common configuration. If the Oracle server has only one database which has corresponding instance in memory, we call this a single instance database server configuration. Another type of configuration is RAC, or Real Application Cluster. Oracle RAC extends the Oracle database that you can store, update, and efficiently retrieve data using multiple database instances on different servers at the same time. Oracle RAC provides the software that facilitates server working together in a cluster. The physical files that make up the database must reside on the shared storage that is accessible from all the servers that are the part of the cluster. Each server in the cluster runs the Oracle RAC software. With RAC, the database is associated with multiple instances. The instances are typically available on different servers called nodes. This combined processing power of multiple servers provides greater throughput and scalability that is available from a single configuration. And interconnect is used to transfer memory components from one instance to another. On the last lecture, I showed you an example of single instance database server configuration. And now we will look at Real Application Cluster. I connected to database nodes of Real Application Cluster. First database node and second database node. I mentioned that Oracle RAC provides the software that facilitates servers working together in a cluster. An example of such software can be Server Control Utility. With this utility, we can check databases configured on this database node. You can see there are several databases running on this database node. We can also check the status for each database. For example, this one. With RAC, the database is associated with multiple instances. And you can see that our database has two running instances. The first one is running on first database node, and the second is running on the second database node. The physical files that make up the database must reside on the shared storage that is accessible from all the servers that are the part of the cluster. Let's check this. To connect to Oracle database instance, I have to set Oracle system ID variable to the instance that is running on this database node. So we can see the location of files for database instance number 1. Let's check where files are located for the second database instance. We need to set Oracle System ID to the Oracle database instance that is running on the second database node. Yes, this one. You can see that the location for the second database instance are absolutely the same, and more, these are absolutely the same files. You can see IDs are identical. These files are located on shared storage, and they are accessible for all instances that are associated with this database. In this course, we will be working with non-clustered systems. But anyway, it is worth to know that there are more complex and reliable systems that can be configured.